As Airbnb nears its 20th birthday, it reported mixed fourth quarter 2025 results. Adjusted EPS came in at 56 cents, about 15% below the 66 cents consensus estimate and down from 73 cents a year ago. Net income fell 30% year over year to $341 million. Despite the earnings miss, revenue rose 12% to $2.78 billion, topping expectations of roughly $2.71 billion. Gross booking value, GBV, increased 16% to $20.4 billion, marking the strongest growth rate in 8 quarters, while nights and experiences booked climbed nearly 10% to 121.9 million. Average daily rate, ADR, increased 6% year over year to $168, reflecting pricing power across regions. Growth was broad-based geographically, with Latin America and Asia-Pacific leading. However, North America grew at only mid-single digits, a potential concern given its importance to overall profitability. As for margins, adjusted EBITDA rose modestly to $786 million, but the EBITDA margin compressed 260 basis points to 28.3%. Operating margin contracted sharply to 9.7%, with total costs rising to 90.3% of revenue. Higher sales and marketing and general administrative expenses weighed on profitability as Airbnb invests in product, AI, and global expansion. Yet cash generation remains strong, with $521 million in free cash flow during the quarter and $4.61 billion over the trailing 12 months. Airbnb ended the year with $11 billion in cash and investments and repurchased $1.1 billion in shares in Q4, with $5.6 billion remaining under authorization. CEO Brian Chesky explained leaning more heavily into AI and product reinvention. Airbnb's custom AI agent is already handling roughly 1/3 of North American customer support interactions, with plans to expand globally, helping to reduce service costs and improve customer experience. To help with this AI endeavor, former Meta AI executive Ahmad Al-Daleh was hired as a CTO as Airbnb is building what it describes as an AI-native platform that better personalizes search, trip planning, and host tools. Chesky argues Airbnb's 200 million verified identities and 500 million reviews create a defensible data moat against generic AI chatbots. Beyond AI, Airbnb is expanding into boutique and independent hotels to broaden its addressable market, particularly in cities tightening short-term rental regulations. It is also investing $50 million to promote rural tourism in Spain as urban supply faces restrictions. Though in the bigger picture, consumer sentiment is roughly 20% lower year over year, and surveys show nearly half of U.S. travelers expect a recession. Budget sensitivity is rising, though Airbnb noted strength in higher-end listings, reflecting a K-shaped demand pattern where premium travelers remain resilient. Looking ahead, Airbnb expects 2026 revenue growth in the low double digits. However, management does not anticipate margin expansion this year as it continues to invest in marketing and technology. On a related note, with all the buzz around precious metals this year, you might want to check out this simple, free guide that covers everything you need to know about buying gold and silver. Link in the description and pinned comment.